Oh my goodness, do I have an exciting story to tell you today. Yes, it's me, Kitty again. I'm so excited to tell you. Are you ready to hear it? Well, today's story is about an actor called Victor and his trip to the volcano. Victor is an actor on the TV. And today, he was filming for a documentary about organic food found in the ground. Part of the documentary is about fertile soil. Fertile soil is very good for vegetables. It helps them to grow with lots of good nutrients. The land around the volcano is very fertile ground. So the filming team decided they should go to the volcano to film. Victor and his team put their equipment in the van and off they went to film a video about the volcano. As they got there, a woman was in her allotment playing the violin. It was such a calm and relaxing atmosphere. The air smelt fresh and the grass looked so green. And the view from the volcano was like a movie scene. I don't believe it! Perfect! Said Victor as he rolled up his sleeves. Let's get to work and start our filming. Digging up the soil and picking up the vegetables. Victor spoke to the camera all about the soil's benefits. As they were filming, a rumbling noise occurred. What's that? Victor inquired. No idea, replied the cameraman. Then, all of a sudden, the lady with the violin came running towards them. She looked calm before, but now she looked panicked. Come quickly, she shouted. Come quickly! As they rushed over, thinking she needed their help, they soon discovered they needed hers. It's the volcano! It's the volcano! She declared. It's going to erupt, but we can't be scared. We must leave immediately before the volcano erupts. And with that, the volcano began to bubble, rumble and roar as the lava began to explode from the peak. We're not going to make it, said Victor. It took us an hour to get here, and that lava is flowing fast. It's okay, replied the violin lady. I've lived here all my life. I know a shortcut that will get us out alive. With that, everyone piled into the van. That way, shouted the violin lady. Even a usually brave Victor wasn't feeling so bold. Whizzing through the shortcut, Victor, his team and the violin lady escaped as the lava came pouring down the side of the volcano. As they made it to safety to a nearby town, Victor and his team got out of the van for a sit-down. I suppose we better ask you your name, said Victor to the violin lady. You've just saved our lives. My name is Vicky, the violin lady replied. But you also saved mine, she said as she nearly cried. That allotment and my violin are big parts of my life, and now my home has gone too. Don't worry, your good soul, Victor replied. Today we all had a lucky escape and we all helped each other. You can come to town with us and we'll help you find a new home. After a short rest, everyone got back in the van and they headed to Cashville, Victor's hometown. Victor and his cameraman got some great footage of the volcano and gave Vicky a job as a presenter to talk on their new documentary. Vicky ended up settling in Cashville, making a new friend, Gino, finding a new allotment and getting a new job on TV. She still had her violin, for which she bought some new strings. She felt very lucky for all these great things. Wow! Can you imagine being on a volcano whilst it erupted? That must have been very scary. I would love to see Victor's video of a volcano erupting. I wonder, if I ask him nicely, maybe he will send us a copy. We'll ask him. And if he says yes, would you like me to share it with you? Okay then, I promise I will. Right, well that was a really big adventure. I hope you're able to remember all of our words. Let's recap them together. Van, volcano, video,